you mentioned bring up AI. Well, fine. Let's talk Copilot. So if we look at Copilot, there was a recent article. There was a blog that our CRO actually put out there. But during these conversations, somebody just said, "Hey, I want to try this." We rolled it out, and they typed in passport, and I pulled all the information. What would happen to an organization if an individual user that was being malicious in nature, right? If I could just type in passport or credit card and I could get everything in the entire organization, all the credit card numbers that were used, and and just drop that to a spreadsheet and then exfiltrate that to a USB thumb drive or something to that effect, that's terrible. We need to be able to protect the data that's sensitive to the organization, and then I'll ensure that these AI programs are doing what's necessary for the organization to ensure that their productivity increases, their man hours reduce, and everything to give them where they can actually make the funds and the money and the business successful without putting them backwards in time to, oh great, now we even have more data security issues that we have to worry about. Because if you think about Copilot, which is it's on an endpoint with Windows 11 or higher, it's out there. You got ChatGPT and you've got Llama and you've got Gemini. I mean, there's just so many that are out there that people use. It's crazy. I mean, we need to start ensuring and be aware that these AI programs are learning off of one another, especially if they're open. Now, if you have it on on an air gap network, okay, you might be a little bit better off, but again, if anything opens up, that could be problematic.